Let's solve the category 3 questions in surds and indices. 18 power 3.5 divided by 27 power 3.5 into 6 power 3.5 is equal to 2 power x. We need to find the x. To convert a negative power into positive, we need to shift the numerator and denominator respectively. Similarly, to change the arithmetic operation between two values, the numerator and denominator is changed like what we did here. Therefore, 18 power 3.5 into 1 by 27 power 3.5 into 6 power 3.5 is equal to 2 power x. So let's divide these values into its factors. 3 square into 2 power 3.5 into 1 by 3 cube power 3.5 into 2 into 3 power 3.5 is equal to 2 power x. As we all know, a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. By using this law, 3 power 2 into 3.5 into 2 power 3.5 into 1 by 3 power 3 into 3.5 into 2 power 3.5 into 3 power 3.5 is equal to 2 power x. Therefore, 3 power 7 into 3 power 3.5 into 1 by 3 power 10.5 into 2 power 3.5 into 2 power 3.5 is equal to 2 power x. These values gets cancelled, and in this statement we can use a law, that is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, and by using this we get x is equal to 7. This is the answer. We shall solve another question of similar kind. So let's write this into factors. 5 square into 7.5 into 5 power 2.5 by 5 cube. 125 can be written as 5 cube. So 5 cube power 1.5 is equal to 5 power x. Let's assume the unknown value as x. Now a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. This is the law which we frequently use in this concept. Therefore, 5 power 2 into 7.5 into 5 power 2.5 by 5 power 3 into 1.5, which is equal to 5 power x. Therefore, 5 power 15 into 5 power 2.5 by 5 power 4.5 is equal to 5 power x. Now let's use another two laws. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, and a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. By using this, 5 power 15 plus 2.5 minus 4.5 is equal to 5 power x. As the bases are same, the powers should be equated. Therefore, x value will become 13. This is the answer. With this, we have completed the unknown indices concept.